Hello students, how are you all? In last video, you learned about angles and their types. In this video, I will tell you some other angles. These are very special. As you can see, I have written three types of angles on the board. First is complementary, second is supplementary, third is adjacent angle. This is the symbol for angle. So you can write in this way or in this way. Okay. So we take this one first. What is complementary angle? As you can see, this diagram shows complementary angle. Now what is the special? What is there something special in this diagram? Yes, I tell you. Complementary angles means if two angles are there such that they together add up to 90 degree. Both of these are called complementary angle to each other. Means if the sum of two angles is 90 degree, then A is the complementary of B and B is the complementary of A. For example, suppose this angle is 30 degree and this is 60 degree. As you can see, 30 plus 60 is 90 degree. So we can say both these angles are complementary to each other. Means we can say 30 degree is complementary to 60 degree and 60 degree is complementary to 30 degree. So if the sum of two angles is 90 degree means a right angle, both of these are complementary to each other. Now, are there other possible combinations except this? Yes. Now, supplementary angles. If two angles together add up to 180 degree, they are called supplementary angles. This is the figure. You can see both these angles are supplementary, but there are other options of complementary and supplementary. I will tell you later. First, I am going to cover all these. पहले हम बिल्कुल बेसिक समझ लेते हैं, ठीक है? Adjacent angles. Third is adjacent angles. Adjacent angle means if two angles have a common side and a common vertex, they are called adjacent angles. As you can see in the figure, these angles are adjacent angles. Okay? Now, take them one by one. Complementary angles. Suppose we have angles A and B. If A plus B is 90 degree, they are called complementary angles. So in this way, this is A and this is B, and for this diagram A plus B is 90 degree. Both these are complementary to each other. So you can say A is complementary to B and B is complementary to A. Now both these angles are together, so they don't need to be together. ये दोनों साथ हों जरूरी नहीं, अलग भी हो सकते हैं. How? See, suppose this angle is 50 degree, okay, and this angle is 40 degree. So if you add both these, you will get a right angle. So 50 degree plus 40 degree, you will get a right angle. Again, both these are complementary to each other. Now, for supplementary, the same condition can be applied. Second is supplementary angles. For example, on a line, a ray is standing, okay, this angle is 40 degree and this is 140 degree. As I told you, if the sum of two angles is 180 degree, they are called supplementary angles. In this figure, you can see this is 40 degree and this is 140 degree. So together they add up to 180 degree. Hence, both of these are supplementary to each other. Now, both these angles are together. Again, they don't need to be together. Means if you have an angle like this, that is 45 degree, and another angle which is 135 degree. So if you add both of these, and you will get 180 degree. It means both of these are supplementary to each other. So you will say 45 degrees supplementary to 135 degree and 135 degrees supplementary to 45 degree. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, इस तरह से आप सप्लीमेंट्री और कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स को डिफाइन कर सकते हैं. लास्ट वन इज एडजेसेंट एंगल्स. दिस वन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. Adjacent angles. So I will erase both of these. We have studied. Now what are adjacent angles? This is the figure. These angles are adjacent to each other. As you can see, there is something special. इस डायग्राम में क्या स्पेशल है? Listen, see the diagram carefully. In both these angles, one side is common and one vertex is common. Vertex means corner. Okay. So both these conditions should be there. If these conditions, we find these conditions, both the angles are adjacent angles. Now there are some other combinations if we can think. Okay, अगर हम और आगे सोचें कि क्या different combinations हो सकते हैं angles के कि वो adjacent हों, so just we have to try. Okay, means suppose this is angle A, this is angle B. As you can see, this side is common between angles A and B, and this vertex is also common. Means both of these are adjacent angles. We can say angle A is adjacent to angle B and B is adjacent to angle A. Think for other combinations. For example, in this way, can you think both of these are adjacent or not? Okay, think about the conditions. Means one line, or you can say arm, one arm should be common and one vertex should be common. So here you can see this vertex is common between angle A and B, but there is no arm that is common. यहाँ पर कोई भी arm means कोई भी जो line है वो common नहीं है, सिर्फ एक vertex ही common है. So only one condition is satisfied here. These angles are not adjacent angles. Again, there might be another combination. What about both of these? Are they adjacent? Obviously not, because neither the arm is common nor the vertex is common, because they have separate vertex. यहाँ पे जो दोनों vertex हैं वो common नहीं है, बिल्कुल separate हैं, और arms भी common नहीं है. So these are not the adjacent angles. Now this is the basic concept of complementary angles, supplementary angles and adjacent angles. Okay, and now I am going to solve some examples, and then I will give you questions based on these examples. Those questions will be your homework. So if it is given that angle A is 60 degree, okay, suppose it is given that A and B are complementary angles. A equals 60 degree, find B. Then how to solve this? As you know, these are complementary angles, so we write A plus B is 90 degree. It means if A is 60 then B will be 90 minus 60, that is 30 डिग्री ऑब्वियसली. सो इस तरह से आप कह सकते हैं अगर A और B दोनों कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स हैं और A की वैल्यू 60 डिग्री है तो B ऑब्वियसली 30 होगा. विदाउट दिस कैलकुलेशन यू कैन सॉल्व दिस मेंटली. कैसे करेंगे? देखिए A प्लस बी 90 डिग्री है. अगर दो वैल्यूज में से एक वैल्यू 60 डिग्री है तो दूसरी वैल्यू क्या होगी? ऑब्वियसली आप मेंटली सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. एक 60 है तो दूसरी 30 होगी बिकॉज दोनों का टोटल 90 होना चाहिए. ओके, सो आई होप you understood this. If you want to note something, pause the video and note. Second, I'll take another question which is similar to this but it is related to supplementary angles. A and B are supplementary angles. If A is 50 degree, find B. Again, you know that A plus B is 180 degree. Then A is 50 degree. So you will solve in this way and B is 130 degree. Simply you have to put the value of A, it is 50 degree, it is given, and to find the B, transpose 50 to right hand side, you will get the value of B. Again you can check A is 50 degree and B is 130 degree. If you add both of these you get 180 degree. So we can say if A is 50 degree then B is 130 degree. In this way you can solve the questions. And adjacent angles I have told you. So in this video you have learned about three special angles which are first one complementary angles, second supplementary angles, and third is adjacent angles. Now I am writing the questions for your homework. And students, be sincere when you see the videos either online or offline. Just try to understand the contents very carefully and solve the questions in your homework. So I am writing questions for your homework. And students please see the full video. वीडियो का बीच में स्किप नहीं करना है, पूरा वीडियो देखना है because at the end of video I am giving you the homework in every video. Daily you will get the homework at the end of the video. So first question is what are complementary angles? What are supplementary angles? Then what are adjacent angles? Fourth question, A and B are complementary angles. This is angles. If A is 100 degree then find B. Fifth question, if A plus B, if A and B are, this is not 100 degree, this is 15 degree. If A and B are supplementary angles, and A is 170 degree, find B. Okay students, these 5 questions are for your homework and I hope you will take interest in this topic and positively you will solve the questions. Okay, have a good day.